our weekend and the week ahead.
Well, Taylor, we've got a little bit of snow that we're tracking, especially on the mountain passes, but today was pretty pleasant across the whole state. Nice temperatures. We even saw some sun in some places, but now is really the time when we're going to see that weather transition from the cool and comfortable temperatures that we've been seeing into more of a wintry mix. Now tonight, temperatures are sitting around the freezing mark for our 4 major cities, about 27 degrees in Kalispell, just a few degrees of separation. So for the most part, overnight tonight, we've got clear conditions across the whole state, but keep an eye as there is going to be some wintry weather moving in. Here's a look at our future tracker. Now just keep an eye on all of these purple dots kind of scattered around the region. Here's what it's going to look like as it moves in tomorrow into Sunday night overnight. You can just see the stroke of purple here, especially going to impact the Montana-Idaho border. So here's a little bit of a closer look at that on our future tracker. You can see really the snow move in. If you're going to be traveling tomorrow along this I-90 corridor, that's when you've got to be careful. We're expecting about 3 inches over those mountain passes, over Lookout Pass and Lolo Pass as well. But so to recap, about 3 inches for your Thanksgiving travel weekend. But the good news is we're not really expecting too much of that snow to accumulate in our valley locations. Maximum 1 inch in the valleys for tomorrow, which is why we do have low impacts on our severe weather tracker for Sunday. But we are tracking another storm system moving in from Canada from Monday and Tuesday. We'll have more on that later, but really our biggest concern is tomorrow as you've got those travelers on the road. Lots of traffic and a little bit of a snow mix means that there could be a little bit of congestion. Overnight tonight, though, right around the freezing mark for northwest Montana, 33 degrees there in Thompson Falls, 29 in Libby. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies, low 40s for the most part, and as I said, there will be a little bit of that winter snow mix, but not accumulating too much in our valley locations like in the Flathead for the remainder of the week. Tonight in west central Montana, Seeley Lake 26, Drummond and Sula. You're also at 26 in Seeley Lake. Let me tell you, you're not going to get too much warmer tomorrow. 38 degrees, 39 in Missoula for tomorrow as well. You'll see that winter snow mix a little bit on Sunday and Monday as well in Missoula. Southwest Montana, you are no stranger to these cold temperatures. Now, Anaconda and Butte, you're at 23 overnight tonight. Check this out. You're even colder than West Yellowstone, and they're usually colder than you in the overnight hours especially. So you'll be chilly overnight tonight. Tomorrow for Southwest Montana, low to mid 40s. Livingston, Townsend, you'll be at 45. Now, really taking a look here at our 7 days, like I said, we are going to be tracking that other storm system. So the one that's going to move in tomorrow and bring some snow to the mountain passes, that one's going to also bring another storm moving in from Canada throughout the rest of the week, which really, if you take a look at your 7-day forecast down here, pretty cold throughout through the rest of the week. These are more of the temperatures that we're used to seeing around this time of year in western Montana. Also pretty chilly temperatures as well. In the overnight temperatures as well, Wednesday night about 19 degrees in Bozeman and Butte. So the main story, though, is if you're going to be traveling at all tomorrow, holiday travelers, just be prepared to run into any type of snow. Lolo, Lookout Pass around 3 inches. Give yourself some extra time if you're going to be driving, extra space in front of your cars, all that good stuff.
Well, an exciting day for skiers in our area because Lookout Pass opens tomorrow.
It is that time of year. You know the snow's coming for sure. And for outdoor recreational activities, it's perfect for the snow, for the skiing and the snowboarding. For us, that means college football season only has so much time left to tick. In fact, our last Montana team was alive today, trying to advance to the national semifinals.